I guess this shows how bored you can get in the winter in the mountains in Pennsylvania. The chickens have been cooped up for about a week or so. Today's the first day we're starting to get a little bit of a thaw. It's been snowy and cold. So they were kind of confined to the area around the barn where there's a little bit of grass. So I got out a hoe and I started digging trails for them. And it's a pretty far stretch. They won't walk in the snow usually. Sometimes they'll go in, but most of the time they don't like the snow. But they'll come across if there's a little bit of grass or something. So I've dug that trail there, and a few of them have crossed over to this grassy area under this hemlock tree, and there's a couple of them stuck in the middle there. I think they'll come over. They're starting to come across. There's a bunch of them over there. Here they come. It's like crossing the Bering Strait. If you're a chicken, I suppose. This one here is wondering if he made a wise decision. Follow these daring chickens over here. They've made it across the yard. And I made another trail up to their rock wall up there. This one's discovered it. They like to go up on those rocks. See if he's going to follow the trail up to the rock wall. And he is. There he goes. Made it to the rocks. There go his fellow chicken explorers. This is kind of like a habit trail for chickens, only in the wintertime in snow. There they go. The other one made it up to the rock wall. And the third one's up there. So now they're walking across the rocks. I don't think they quite understand this snow thing.